I've sailed down in Manila. I've sailed in in Cebu, but Subic's the best. Subic's the best place for sailing in the Philippines. I like Subic because of the sailing, the wind, the weather, and the flat water.
In the Philippines, we were in Boracay about a month ago, and that's the first time I've been in Boracay. So it was a new experience for me. Strong winds, beautiful scenery. I don't much like the town. I think Subic is a nicer town.
Well, we sailed our boat from Boracay. We've been to Palawan, and we've been to San Fernando. I've been to Subic for 4 Rolex China Seas races. My boat is based in Subic, so we come here frequently. What I like about Subic is the facilities that are here. It's very safe, reasonably priced, and my crew, 4 of them, all come from the Philippines, so it's good for them too.
I very much enjoy sailing here in Subic. We've had very good breeze yesterday, fantastic weather, and the good breeze that we get in a really nice race course every day.
What I like the most about this place is just the friendly atmosphere, the fact that everyone here is just really willing to help you out and kind of show you what you need to know to get started. The sailing conditions in Subic this time around have been pretty strong out there. I've heard other boats saying that this is the best sailing weather that Asian sailing has to offer.